Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, today we have this single card inverter welding machine. As you can see, only has two IGBTs and three double diode, and in this welding machine the capacitor was blast. This capacitor doesn't show any reading and fuse was blown. The problem is that I already replaced those both capacitors, and there is one tip for you guys. Once I connect to the supply in series, this machine show me the reading. As you can see, I connected in series and you can see it shows me it is working, but 95% once these capacitors are damaged, this rectifier will be damaged also. So after you replace that, make sure this rectifier is okay, because once I connect to the supply, this again fuse was blown. I replaced that and I check that this rectifier is faulty. I show you how to check easily. I just remove those cables, positive and negative, and you can see I connect to the supply and you can see the bulb give us the reading. The simple formula for checking the rectifier: just connect the supply for AC contact and you can see the both end. If the rectifier is okay, it will not show this bulb ignition, and if it is faulty, it will like that. What we need to do, we just replace this rectifier as I have here. I will replace and I show you how does it work. You see here, I'm going to replace this. You can see this is S25 VB100 and I'm going to fix S35 VB100. I replace and I install that rectifier, and you will see I did not fix that positive and negative wire, and you can see I connect to the series and this lamp doesn't on. This means this rectifier is okay. I reconnect those wire, positive and negative, and show you how does it work. Now you can see it shows little bit rating also, and the lamp in this way is blinking. Before it wasn't like that, and now I connect to the 220 direct without series. You can see I connect directly to the 220 volt and it is working. I show you the voltage. You can see here. Subscribe my channel for more like videos, and you can see here 73 output voltage, and our machine is in good condition. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.